If you are looking for a beautiful keepsake for a loved one, this right here is so nice. This was sent for my review. And look at everything it comes in. It comes in a really nice box. You do get this beautiful share a memory card. You also have a really nice like velvety box here. This right here is a funnel. And this is the actual urn itself. And you've got this really great box. It does come with a little spoon, which, I'll talk about these in a second. And then you do have this really nice, like velvety box as well, if you're not ready to use it or you don't have a place to put it just yet. But so this right here, obviously, when a loved one passes, oftentimes you get those really big urns and someone just kind of, has them. But if you want to be able to have a piece of your loved one, being able to put them in, like a little miniature urn, I think is absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail on this one. It is so stunning. It does come in different colors. And then what I do really love as well, you've got this like screw top on here. So you know that everything's going to be nice and secure. And then this of course is where the like little, spoon and the funnel will come into action here. Obviously when you're putting stuff in here, you want to make sure that you're very delicate and careful. So having this obviously is going to make it nice and easy. But I love that that is a screw top. Oftentimes it is not. And then of course, because it's so pretty, you can put this anywhere. You can put it on a mantle. You can put it on your desk. I just think this is such a great way to have that beautiful memory of your loved one. So if you are looking for a nice keepsake, highly recommend.